Alright, burner test fire. Plug the little blower in. That's running, moving some air. Get the torch ready. Let's see if you can see this. There we go. I think that'll work.